Okay, how are you today? Okay, in this video I will show you how to crimp uh, Ethernet cable with RG45 connector with crimp tool. Okay, here I have a crimp tool for crimping the RG45 connector with cable UTP cable. Okay, now let's see what will we do. Prepare before. Okay, here we are the tool. Okay, yeah. Okay, for the beginner, we have to be ready the arrangement of the cable connection. Here there are strike cable, crossover cable. Okay, on here, yeah. Strike cable and crossover cable. Here and here. Okay, and the first we have to prepare this. What is this? This is RG45 connection. RG45. Okay, and the tool here, the crimp tool. It can cut the cable. Here the knife. Okay, and RG45 connector here. Okay, for the first step, I will take the cable. This is the cable. Here the cable of UTP cable. UTP cable. In this cable consists eight cable inside. 8 cable inside the cover or the jacket. Your jacket. Okay, now before we do this, we have to open the jacket first with crimp tool. Okay, here the crimp tool for open the jacket. Okay, pull it. Yeah. Okay, now we open the jacket and see here 4 twist cable. Okay, 4 twist cable. This 4 twist cable is first is orange. Okay, orange twist cable, and then green, blue, and brown. Okay, now before we try to crimp with the crimp tool, we have to arrange this cable first using this, the crossover or the strike. The strike is usually used for router, internet connection, and modem. And this crossover is usually used for computer to computer. Okay, now we try to make the strike arrangement. Okay, first we try to arrange from the left. Okay, the left pin 1. Okay, the first pin is orange white. Okay, we open the twist cable here, the orange. Okay, we put in the left is orange white, and the second is orange, and then green white. Okay, after green white is blue, after blue is blue white. Okay, this blue and blue white, and then green. Okay, after that yellow, brown. Okay, brown white, and brown. Yeah, here is the arrangement. Okay, look at this. Here we have arranged the cable. from here. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. Orange, white, orange, green, blue, blue, white, green. Okay, this is green, white. Okay, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, and then brown, white, and brown. Last brown. Okay, now we have to cut it maybe 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter, because we will connect it in with RG45 connector. Okay, maybe only 1 centimeter. Okay, use Crimp tool for cut it. Okay, now we pull into the RG45 connector. Okay, the pin have to put upside. Okay, this pin, the yellow pin, we will put upside. Okay, yes, sir. Yeah, here the connector, and here the connector. After that, we crimp it with Crimp tool. Okay, put it inside here. Okay, and crimp it. Jet. Crimp here. Why? Okay, try for the second time. Okay, here we are. Yes. Okay, the pin is connected with the cable. Maybe this is the tutorial, and see you in next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.